What you're seeing here is the Dyson Clean Plus Wash Hygiene, the brand's latest hard floor cleaner, designed to simultaneously vacuum and wet mop in a single pass. At first glance, the machine carries that familiar Dyson visual language, angular, considered, and noticeably lightweight at 3.8 kilograms. The angled handle keeps controls within comfortable reach during use. One thing that stands out immediately is the filter-free design. Unlike previous hard floor cleaners, this model removes internal dirty water pipes entirely. All waste, both solids and liquid, is contained within the floor head itself, which significantly simplifies the end-of-session cleanup process. Moving through the cleaning modes, 3 water output levels are selectable alongside a max mode for heavier residue. The clean water tank holds 0.75 liters and accepts Dyson's own detergent or alternative cleaning solutions. From here, the self-cleaning dock becomes an important part of the ownership experience. The microfiber roller is washed and dried at 85 degrees Celsius within the dock, a process that addresses the lingering odor and bacteria buildup that affects some competing wet cleaners over time. Another thing worth noticing is the floor clearance. The handle lays nearly flat, allowing the head to reach under low furniture and wall-mounted fixtures that taller machines cannot access. Some users may find the price demanding, particularly at £430 in the UK or €499 in Europe. And the dirty water tank location on the floor head requires careful handling during emptying. Overall, the Dyson Clean Plus Wash Hygiene appears to be one of the more complete hard floor cleaning solutions currently available. Hygiene-focused, well-engineered, and designed for households where hard floors dominate.